is Alfred. I am the most famous mystic in the world. In this video we're talking about you. If you have a 0 in your date of birth, if you don't have it, this video is not for you. Just don't watch it, skip it now. Why? Okay, honestly, if you have 0 or you just want to know what the number 0 means in numerology in the world, maybe your father, your mother, someone should have number 0 in their chart. Let's talk about what it means for you or for them. In numerology, the main numbers are from 1 to 9, then they repeat. Number 0 is something we see, we notice of course, but we don't talk a lot. And I think it's a mistake if you skip number 0 and start to explain the others, because number 0 is a potential, inner, sacred potential that is not yet revealed or revealed. You should know. It's obvious when it's on the surface. 0 we can imagine as a chalice. When you just see it, it's a circle and something can be inside, like a cup. Yeah, we can pour some tea inside. Anything can be in that shape. It's a divine sphere. And it's very black and white because it can be inside of the 0, inside of your number. If you have 0, it can be chaos or it can be harmony and balance. It's very like glory scales, good or bad. If you have a lot of zeros in your date of birth, I think you know, and you notice that your mood shifts so fast. You can go from one state to another, from one feeling to another, from one person to another, from one place to another. You love to travel, you love to explore. 0 is a womb. Everything is creating there. All the numbers from 1 to 9 were in that 0 before it gave a birth. 0 says about your primordial nature, about creation, also about death. Yeah, it's very black and white. You die or you create. You live in harmony or you live where everything falls apart. It's completeness or emptiness. And also when we see the circle 0, it's endless. There is no beginning, there is no end. Your numbers talk about who you are. We were born with a very individual code, and if you have zeros, it says that the potential is very deep. It's not a number, it's not 1, it's not 2, but because all the numbers were created in that 0, in that chalice, in that cup, in that endless potential, you can easily learn from all the numbers. People say that 0 is emptiness, but I see it as a place of creation. It's a moment before creation. It's the universe. It's the moment before the Big Bang. It can create or it can destroy depending on your intentions, on your personal desires. You know what you want, and these people who have a lot of, not just 1 0 in their date of birth, but if you have a lot of them, you will do everything possible to achieve your goal. And it's because of the patience you have. Because before the Big Bang, it was 9 months, yeah? And patience, of course, is one of the characteristics you have by nature. All you have to do is make efforts and focus on the signs from the above, from the below, from here, from the world, because the world loves you and the world gives you a lot of signs, so you reveal your potential, because 0 is eternal law, truth or lie. You have a choice to be this or to be that, blue pill or red pill. I'm good or I am bad. The best choice is to unite your darkness and your light, and when they are together, magical things happen. And also about number 0, a lot of people say it's an amplifier. Every number that is standing next to 0 is twice stronger. So what is that number? It says that you will need to work more on that lesson that the number next to 0 has. Let's finish. This video is quick, yeah, and it's mysterious because we don't know much about number 0. What is there? What is in the chalice? Is it poison or is it something like a juicy? I'm giving you juice, but you never know because I'm Scorpio and poison is always there, but some drops of poison are medicine, so don't worry and let's have some fun. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have zeros, if you know something else about this mysterious number. And by the way, I have only one. Thank you for watching. I love you so much and I will see you on my next video. I am waiting for you. I love you.